What really happens every time you crack your knuckles? That sharp pop sounds intense, and yeah, it can feel weirdly satisfying. But your bones aren't breaking or grinding together. That's just a myth. So what's actually making that noise? I'll tell you. But first, if you don't want joint issues catching up to you, hit like, subscribe, and share this fast. Here's the science. When you bend or pull your finger, the pressure inside the joint suddenly drops. That pressure change forms tiny gas bubbles in the fluid around the joint. When those bubbles rapidly collapse, that's the pop you hear. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for the gas to build up again, which is why you can't crack the same knuckle twice right away. Just don't overdo it. Too much force too often can strain your joints over time.